Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your location in Yandex Browser. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to update your location in Yandex Browser, you firstly have to open your Yandex Browser application on your phone. After doing that, simply click on the three bars in the bottom right corner. From there, you can choose the option of Settings. Just simply choose the Settings option and go to Settings. After going into Settings, you will find the location setting in the General Settings. Just simply open the location settings here. You will see that the location setting will be set to Set Automatically option. You just simply have to disable this Set Automatically option and click on Set Manually. Now, after clicking into that, you can set any city into here. By following these very easy steps, you can easily set or update your location in your Yandex Browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.